coated this Fiat yesterday. Today, I found a high spot. What do I do?
You rang?
Who are you?
I'm Yvan, and you're Nick, and this is DIY Detail.
This is DIY Detail. Hey, you're gonna coat with ceramic coating. Turns out you're human. You may miss a spot, a high spot. And I wanna show you what that looks like here. I can't rub it off with a towel. My finger's not gonna move it. Not that I wanna be touching my paint anyway.
No.
But the reality is, if this happens, you may be like, what is that? And touch it. You're not gonna get the high spot off because it's been a day, it's cured.
Exactly, and the high spot, the only way of getting it off is polish. So we're gonna take a microfiber towel, we're gonna take our spray polish, just put a little bit on the towel, not much, don't need a lot. And then by hand, we're just gonna work this high spot just a little bit. Till it is no longer a high spot. So see, we got about 50% of it off there.
I barely see it, but I'm looking for it, right? If you're
Yeah.
looking for things, you're gonna find it, but it's not quite off yet. Obviously a testament to the coating that once it cures, it's there to protect your paint.
Yeah. And we still have just a little wee bit. And I'm not putting any pressure. I'm not trying to cut a scratch out or anything like that. All I'm doing.
So you're just letting the polish and the towel do the job with no pressure.
Exactly. And there we go.
Yvan, thank you for, in a very mysterious and slightly creepy way,
Yeah.
appearing out of nowhere to help solve a problem. Because I can tell you for sure, if you're in your garage, you do this, you're proud of yourself, and the next day you find a high spot and you don't know how to get rid of it, it can be kind of demoralizing. I've been there. It was the first time I applied a pro level coating.
Yeah.
And it came to be dusk and twilight, and I saw all these little areas that I thought I had gotten when I coated my car in direct sunlight.
Exactly.
Try to do it outside of sunlight, but our coating is sunlight friendly.
Exactly. With that, if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, leave them below.
More Fiat videos up above.